Antonio, this is from Gary Wales in Woodland Hills, California. I want you to see a little bit of the 1938 Buick Y JOB. This is the only metal copy in the world. It's only been shown 7 times to my knowledge in a very, very small area in Orange, California. Don't mind the noise, that's someone doing construction across the street. This is the Y JOB. This is the copy of the first concept car ever done in 1938 by Harley Earl. It was the first design car by a designer rather than an engineer. It's quite unique as it has electric windows, push button doors. You can see what it is. This particular one is a tribute car, which you'll be able to get a little better shot at distance. We'll pull it out in a little while. Anyhow, this is the garage that I keep this one in. That was the Frenay that I had mentioned to you that has now held the world record for 12 years as the most expensive pre-owned post-war Rolls-Royce or Bentley in the history of the world. This is just a little bit of the garage here and some of the cars. This is the Black Prince Bentley 1938 4 1/4 that is built for this. Also, we'll go around here. This is La Bestione number 5. We've built 7. We're doing the 8th one now. This is won a tremendous amount of major awards and everything. Andreas, turn on the headlights for me, would you, on the Y JOB? Okay, light it up and back it out. This amazing car. As you can tell, it's got the L engine Corvette. Everything is completely lovely, except all the damn noise from the guy across the street. Just while he's pulling that out, I'll show you these here again. Bring it back in and then we'll show you, give you a walk around on it. I think you'll find this of interest. Thank you, Andreas. This is the metal copy, the only one in the world besides the original, which is valued at over $10 million by General Motors and is the crown jewel of their collection. I'll show you how the trunk opens. Pull this little up, boom, it just clicked. And there it is. It's an absolutely amazing piece. You can drop her down. Of course, we have the custom plate on it, 38 Y JOB, because that's what this is. The first concept car. Harvey Earl drove it from 1948, or 38, excuse me, till 1951. Very tractable. One interesting little note that it's called the Y JOB because aircraft were designated as Y cars. And this particular one is the first. And so that is the machine gun sight on an aircraft. Automobiles, wrecks, aircraft were Y. This is the car. It's all metal, very heavy, beautiful, handles well, does everything it's supposed to do. That is the Y JOB.